brackets holding it at the top. You already removed the screw, so it's just in there by friction. So now I'm going to get to the power connector on one of the brushes and remove the spade connector with I just use my needle nose pliers. And I just kind of pull back, wiggle, it'll come loose. And then maybe use some good reading glasses or something so you can see better, because this is kind of fidgety, tiny work. You're gonna push this brass thing out towards you so the bottom of it can come out of a slot, and then you can lift out the spring and the carbon brush. This only has about a 1/4 inch left. That's why it wasn't working. When you buy it, I think it's about 2 inches. So you can get these cheaper online too, but this is the genuine one made by Bosch, probably a better one.